This is the skin reset which I'm committing to in 2026. I've struggled with acne scars and uneven texture for years, and no amount of serums or at-home treatments were giving me the results that I wanted. So I decided to do something a little bit more targeted, which is a chemical peel at Dr. Melanin, a clinic that actually specializes in melanin-rich skin. What I love is that everything was personalized to my skin. It spoke about my concerns and my pigmentation, so it wasn't a one-size-fits-all peel. But this isn't an overnight fix. It's about consistency and trusting the process. This is a really big step in my skincare journey, and I'm so happy that I have started this before the new year. It's so crazy because I didn't think clear skin was on the table for me, but after getting these chemical peels, I feel so hopeful. I have started a few series on my page where it's all about self-care and loving yourself. Coming to Dr. Melanin makes me feel like I'm doing self-care in the correct way. I am confident with or without makeup, but doing this is making me feel really excited. But again, this is not an overnight fix and this will take time. If you are thinking about getting a chemical peel, Dr. Melanin Clinic is definitely one to check out. I love you guys and I'll see you guys very, very soon.